الشيطان الرجيم. أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم. أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. هو الله الذي لا إله إلا هو عالم الغيب والشهادة هو الرحمن الرحيم. هو الله الذي لا إله إلا هو الملك القدوس السلام المؤمن المهيمن العزيز الجبار المتكبر. سبحان الله عما يشركون. هو الله الخالق البارئ المصور له الأسماء الحسنى. يسبح له ما في السماوات والأرض وهو العزيز الحكيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Surah Al-Layl, the night. In the name of Allah, the most affectionate, the merciful. Ayat number 19. وَمَا لِأَحَدٍ عِنْدَهُ مِنْ نِعْمَةٍ تُجْزَى. And he owes no favor to anyone for recompense. In the commentary it is mentioned, reason for its revelation. Some infidels of Makkah had said that perhaps Hazrat Bilal radiyallahu ta'ala anhu or Umayyah bin Khalaf were indebted to Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiyallahu ta'ala anhu in some way, in exchange for which he had freed Hazrat Bilal radiyallahu ta'ala anhu by paying such a large sum of money. To refute their claim, this verse was revealed in which it was being said that there is no obligation of any of you or Hazrat Bilal on Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. This does not mean that he is not obligated to Allah Almighty or the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, about which there is a hint, and it is that which is denoted here. From it emerge a few issues. Number one, to decrease the virtues of the pious is the way of the infidels, as is the custom of the present days of Qadianis and Dobandis. Number two, describing their greatness after removing all taunting remarks about them is the way of Allah Almighty. And number three, by giving an expense in the path of Allah Almighty is no loss, but profit of the highest order. Ayah number 20. إِلَّا ابْتِغَاءَ وَجْهِ رَبِّهِ الْأَعْلَى. But only the righteous seek the pleasure of his Lord, the Most High. In the commentary it is mentioned, it means that Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiyallahu ta'ala anhu freed Hazrat Bilal radiyallahu ta'ala anhu in search of gaining the pleasure of Allah Almighty. From this emerge a few issues. Number one, the sublime status of Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq is such that Allah Almighty is the witness about his sincerity and beauty of his intention. Number 2, good deeds should not be done with the intention of obtaining paradise or saving oneself from the fire of hell, but should be done for gaining the sole pleasure of Allah Almighty. Once He is pleased with you, then everything is achieved. Number 3, a person should bear in mind that just as he makes an effort to seek his sustenance, he should seek the pleasure of Allah Almighty more. Just as the doors of sustenance are different, so are the doors of the divine pleasure. Ayah number 21. وَلَسَوْفَ يَرْضَى. And soon he will be well pleased, and in brackets, with him. In the commentary it is mentioned, it means very soon Allah Almighty will be pleased with Abu Bakr Siddiq radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. This does not mean that he is displeased with him at this point in time, but he will reveal his pleasure upon the creation. Observe today, he has granted Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiyallahu ta'ala anhu place in close proximity of his beloved. And tomorrow his reckoning on the day of judgment would be with the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He will be granted closeness of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam in paradise. Or it means very soon Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiyallahu ta'ala anhu would be pleased with his Lord. He will bestow so many bounties upon him that he will be extremely pleased. This does not mean that Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiyallahu ta'ala anhu is not pleased with Allah Almighty today. Allah be praised. For his beloved, he said in the translation in the glorious Quran, undoubtedly soon your Lord shall give you so much. And for Abu Bakr Siddiq radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, he said in another translation, and undoubtedly soon he will be pleased. The manner of speech with both beloveds is the same. Sallu ala al-Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Ya ilahi rahm farma Mustafa ke waste, Ya Rasool Allah karam kijiye huda ke waste, مشکلیں حل کر شہ مشکل کشا کے واسطے، کربلا رد شہید کربلا کے واسطے، سید سجاد کے صدقے میں ساجد رکھ مجھے، علم حق دے علم خدا کے واسطے، صدق صادق کا تصدق صادق الاسلام کر، بے غضب راضی ہو کاظم اور رضا کے واسطے، بہر معروف و سری معروف دے بے حد سری، چل دے حق میں گل جنے دے باصفا کے واسطے، بہر شبلی شیر حق دنیا کے کتوں سے بچا، ایک کار عبد واحد بے ریا کے واسطے، بل فرح کا صدقہ کر غم کو فرح دے حسن سعد، بل حسن ابو سعید سعد زا کے واسطے، قادری کر قادری رکھ قادریوں میں اٹھا، قدر عبد القادر قدرت نما کے واسطے، احسن اللہ لہم رزقا سے دے رزق حسن، بندہ رزاق تاج الاصفیاء کے واسطے، نصر بھی صالح کا صدقہ صالح و منصور رکھ، دے حیات دیل محیی جاں فضا کے واسطے، طور عرفاں و علو و حمد و حسنہ و با، دے علی موسیٰ حسن احمد با کے واسطے، بہر ابراہیم
مجھ پر نعرے غم گلزار کر، بھیک دے داتا بھکار بادشاہ کے واسطے، خانہ دل کو ضیا دے روح و ایمان کو جمال، شہزیہ مولا جمال الاولیاء کے واسطے، دے محمد کے لیے روزی کر احمد کے لیے، خوان فضل اللہ سے حصہ گدا کے واسطے، دین دنیا کے مجھے برکات دے برکات سے، عشق حق دے عشق عشق التماع کے واسطے، حب اہل بیت دے آل محمد کے لیے، کر شہید عشق حمزہ پیشوا کے واسطے، دل کو اچھا تن کو ستھرا جان کو پر نور کر، اچھے پیارے شمس دی بدر الاولیٰ کے واسطے، دو جہاں میں خادم آل رسول اللہ کر، حضرت آل رسول مقتدی کے واسطے، کر عطا احمد رضائے احمد مرسل مجھے، میرے مولا حضرت احمد رضا کے واسطے، برزیاں کر میرا چہرہ حشر میں اے کبریا، شہزیاء الدین پیر باصفا کے واسطے، احینا فی الدین والدنیا سلام بالسلام، قادری عبد السلام حشدا کے واسطے، عشق احمد میں عطا کر چشم تر سوز جگر، یا خدا الیاس کو احمد رضا کے واسطے، صدقہ الآیا کدے چین عز علم و عمل، عفو عرفان عافیت اس بے نوا کے واسطے۔ Ya Allah Azza wa Jal, with the blessing of these pious saints, accept our Salat al-Fajr, accept this Madani Halqa. Ya Allah Azza wa Jal, forgive our major and minor sins, enlighten our hearts with the knowledge of Islam. Ya Allah, give us noor on our faces. Ya Allah Azza wa Jal, remove any illnesses on all type of, Ya Allah, illnesses from our body. Ya Allah, today is the day of Friday, the day of Jummah. Ya Allah, with the blessing of this Jummah, Ya Allah Azza wa Jal, grant us success. Ya Allah, waive all our major minor sins. Forgive our parents. Ya Allah, grant them a place in paradise. If our parents are alive, give us the ability to serve them, to look after them, to keep them happy. Ya Allah Azza wa Jal. Ya Allah Azza wa Jal, give us salvation and give us protection from the enemies of Islam. Ya Allah Azza wa Jal, bless Kashmir, Palestine, Syria, Burma, Iraq, Yemen, and all the Muslim countries that are in tribulation and oppression. Ya Allah, for the sake of your beloved, remove this oppression. Ya Allah, give us unity, make us one and strong, and give us the ability to worship you. Give us peace and tranquility around the globe. Ya Allah, protect us from the devil. Ya Allah Azza wa Jal, these wars that are taking place, Ya Allah, remove this devil. Ya Allah Azza wa Jal, give us peace and tranquility. Ya Allah Azza wa Jal, bless Pakistan and give Pakistan aruj. Those who are affected by this pandemic, Ya Allah, many Islamic brothers and sisters and some children, Ya Allah Azza wa Jalla, very badly affected because of this pandemic. Ya Allah Azza wa Jalla, I got a message from a brother that one of his sisters, Ya Allah, has some test results coming today from the doctor that she's severely ill. Ya Allah Azza wa Jalla, give her shifa. Ya Allah Azza wa Jal, those who are suffering in hospitals, in ICU units, Ya Allah Azza wa Jal, give them shifa, give them the protection against the enemies of Islam. Ya Allah Azza wa Jal, give our small Madani Munniya, Ya Allah, good health. Ya Allah Azza wa Jal, give them true knowledge. Ya Allah Azza wa Jal, give them the ability to refrain from bad company. Ya Allah Azza wa Jal, negative knowledge. Ya Allah Azza wa Jal, and give them success in this world and the hereafter. Ya Allah Azza wa Jal, those non-Muslims who are supporting Islam, who are speaking the truth, who are on haq, Ya Allah Azza wa Jal, guide them towards Islam, enlighten their hearts with the noor of Islam. Ya Allah Azza wa Jal, bless this gathering, Bless Brother Hamid. Ya Allah, give him shifa. Ya Allah, cure his knee. Ya Allah, previously had a knee operation. Ya Allah Azza wa Jal, give him good health and give him the ability to walk again successfully. Ya Allah, Brother Naeem, give him offsprings. Bless his father Gul Tasib and his family. Brother Zahir and his children. Ya Allah, give them success in Madrasatul Madina. Ya Allah Azza wa Jal, give them the ability to travel in the path of Allah in the Madani Qafila with good intentions. Brother Sajid, Ya Allah Azza wa Jal, accept his sincere dua. Bless his mother, bless his family, bless his children. Ya Allah Azza wa Jal, give them success and give them the mahol of Dawat Islami. Ya Allah Azza wa Jal, Brother Isa, Brother Najibullah, Ya Allah Azza wa Jal, bless his wife. Ya Allah Azza wa Jal, give her shifa. Restore her kidneys, Ya Allah, back to normal, Ya Allah Azza wa Jal. And Brother Sadiq Bhai, Ya Allah, and his son, Ya Allah, his family, Ya Allah Azza wa Jal, give them blessings. Ya Allah, give them the nur of Iman and give them death with Iman. Ya Allah, new brother who has participated in this Madani Halqa, accept his sincere dua. Ya Allah, give him success. And the day, the blessing of Jummah, Ya Allah, give him barakah in his life. And for the sake of the brothers, for the sake of the brothers and sisters on social media, Ya Allah, accept my du'as, Ya Allah, and give me success as well. Ya Allah, those brothers and sisters who are listening via radio, Ya Allah, those they've raised their hands in your court, Ya Allah Azza wa Jal, accept this sincere dua. Give them the ability to perform tahajjud, ishraq and awabeen, Ya Allah Azza wa Jal, and enlighten their hearts as well. Ya Allah Azza wa Jal, bless our youngsters who are going to school, colleges and universities. Protect them from any wrong type of education. Ya Allah Azza wa Jal, give them education accordance to your guidance, Ya Allah. Inna Allah wa malaikatahu yusalluna ala nabi. يا أيها الذين آمنوا صلوا عليه وسلموا تسليما اللهم صل على سيدنا ومولانا محمد معدن الجود والكرم وآله وبارك وسلم سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين.